We had a week packed with action words. Let's do a recap of those, okay? Master Azerbaijani, we have weekly recap. Let's see which words did we learn. We learned to say xərcləmək, to spend, expend, and waste. We learned SÖZ VERMÄK, to promise, to give one's word and to pledge support. We learned SÜBUT ETMÄK, to prove, demonstrate, and substantiate. We learned TANIMAQ, to recognize, to know, and to identify. We learned Seçmək, to choose, to select, to pick. We learned Pozmaq, to spoil, to break, and to disrupt. It also had one more meaning that I told you in that video. Feel free to find and check it. We learned SATMAQ, to sell, or guess what, to betray. We also had some fun uses to help you learn those words and use those words in an easier and fun manner. Let's see what were those. I call them dad joke uses. He can söz vermek to the moon, or the moon. I just want my charger back. Tried to SATMAQ my clutter online. Even the junk site passed. Extraordinary claim. Cool. Now SÜBUT ETMÄK it before the coffee gets cold. She can TANIMAQ celebrities faster than her own passwords. Or amazing how one tiny update can Pozmaq the entire roadmap before lunch. Quiz time. Which word also means to pick? Drop in the comments below. Feel free to type in the letter that is closest on your keyboard, because I know in Azerbaijani we have some letters that doesn't really exist in most keyboards. But don't worry about that. As long as you come back for new week's words, you come back every day, you should be in good shape. Because why? Consistency is what will bring you fluency. To help you with fluency, I also have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. It's continuously being worked on and populated with new modules and audio being added. But the module 1 there is completely free, along with all the vocabulary words from all the modules. Module 1 is a foundational module that will help you set you up for success in terms of learning the language. If you need more tips and tricks for grammar, language, history, cultural aspects, there's masterazerbaijani.com that is there for you since November 2025, where I post blogs every 10 days on those topics. Feel free to check them out. Otherwise, come back here tomorrow so we can start the new week with new words. Cheers.